can a protein-rich salad help with weight loss? Many people struggle to shed extra pounds, and diet plays a crucial role in achieving success. According to the World Health Organization, WHO, over 1.9 billion adults worldwide are overweight, and obesity rates continue to rise. While there are many weight loss strategies, one simple and effective approach is eating more protein. Let's look at how a protein-rich diet can help with weight loss. Why protein is important for weight loss, the best sources of protein for your salad, and how to make a perfect protein-rich salad. Why is protein important for weight loss? Protein is an excellent nutrient that helps control hunger, increase metabolism, and preserve muscle mass while burning fat. When you eat protein, your body takes longer to digest it compared to carbohydrates, which means you stay full for longer and are less likely to eat unhealthy foods. Additionally, the body burns more calories digesting protein than it does with fats or carbs, a process known as the thermic effect of food, TF. This makes protein an essential part of any weight loss plan. How a protein-rich salad supports weight loss. A salad-dense protein is an excellent meal choice for those looking to lose weight. Here's how it works. 1. Keeps you full longer. Protein slows digestion and reduces hunger hormones, helping you eat fewer calories throughout the day. 2. Boosts metabolism. Since protein requires more energy to digest, it naturally increases the number of calories you burn. 3. Supports muscle growth. Losing weight can lead to muscle loss, but protein helps maintain muscle while burning fat. 4. Low in calories, but nutrient-dense. A well-balanced salad with protein provides essential nutrients without excess calories. Best sources of protein for your salad. To maximize the benefits, choose high-quality protein sources. Some excellent options include grilled chicken. Lean and rich in protein, chicken is a top choice for salads. Tuna or salmon. A source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, these fish options help reduce inflammation and promote fat loss. Eggs. A budget-friendly option with high-quality protein. Lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. A great plant-based source of protein and fiber. Tofu or tempeh. Perfect for vegetarians, these soy-based proteins are both filling and nutritious. Greek yogurt or cottage cheese. Creamy, protein-rich options that add texture and flavor. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, sunflower seeds, chia seeds. Provide protein and healthy fats for sustained energy. How to make a perfect protein-rich salad. A weight loss-friendly salad should be well-balanced, providing protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Here's a simple way to build a satisfying salad. 1. Start with greens. Use spinach, kale, romaine, or mixed greens as your base. 2. Add protein. Choose a lean source like grilled chicken, fish, or beans. 3. Include healthy fats. Avocados, nuts, and olive oil can help keep you full. 4. Boost fiber. Add chopped vegetables, seeds, or whole grains like quinoa. 5. Use a light dressing. Avoid creamy, high-calorie dressings and opt for lemon juice, balsamic vinegar, or olive oil. A protein-rich salad can be excellent for weight loss. It helps control hunger, supports metabolism, and provides essential nutrients without extra calories. By choosing the right ingredients and keeping your meals balanced, you can enjoy delicious salads while reaching your weight loss goals. If you're looking for an easy and healthy way to shed extra pounds, adding more protein-rich salads to your diet is a great place to start. If you found this video helpful, kindly subscribe to the channel for more health tips.